Hi, welcome to Rifki the Cyber. Antenna is taking very important and critical role, mainly if you talk about the radio frequency. And what is the best antenna for receiving? The good receiving antenna or good RX antenna is defined by how sensitive to listen the most weak or the weakest signal. And the good of the transmitting antenna or the TX antenna is defined by the how much is the power that can accommodate by the transmitting antenna itself. You can read that from the datasheet of the antenna. For example, if you buy the PCTEL antenna, you can read what is the datasheet there. For example, how much is the maximum power that can be transmit is defined by the dBm, and also how the sensitive antenna. Today I'm going to focus with the antenna for receiving, guys. Now I'm going to show to you the method how to check which one is the better antenna. For example, I have a two antenna here. Number one is like this. This is the receiving antenna. This is, I think, until 700, 800 to the 1700. This antenna itself. And this one have a different range with this one. But the band 900 of the GSM for both antenna is overlapping. So what we're gonna do is we are going to scan the tower and we will see the result and we will tell which one is the better antenna among of those of two that one. But before that one, don't forget to enjoy your coffee, prepare your coffee. And you see this shirt is came from the Strada coffee shops. It's written here in Indonesian language that I'm going to translate it is a cup of coffee is a good accompanying for the series of journeys. Rather than a lot of chatty, let's test, guys. The first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug my SDR in this case. So I'm going to using the SDR. I will using the RTL SDR in this case. And usually we need to check the devices here, USB. Okay, I'm going to check this one, Realtek, because I'm using the RTL SDR. And we will compare first my short antenna in this case. And we will see and we will compare the result later. I'm going to do is I'm going just to running this. And by default, this is will grab all the tower with the band 900 in this case. Let's start, guys. Anyways, guys, if you want to have the GRGSM scanner tools, you can get it from the ISO of the operating system that I'm going to put the link below in these descriptions, guys. Okay, let's go back. Okay, we already got the two cell tower in this case. Let's wait. Okay, guys. This is the result when I'm going to use my short antenna before. Now I'm going to use my other Omni antenna. In this case, is this one. So I'm going to replace the antenna with this. Okay, guys, it's good to go to using this antenna. Now I'm going to start again the comment in this case. Okay, guys, from here we can see what is the results. I'm just going to copy paste this to my notepad. Sorry, to my... Okay, guys, much better I'm copy paste this to my text box. Okay, from the first antenna, we got only two cell tower in this case. And this is the power is minus 31 and minus 32. That means the most power, the power that felt by my receiving antenna is, the most power is minus 31 in this case. This is the most stronger signal in this case. But my second antenna, this one, my Omni antenna, it can get 3 cell tower in this case. And of course, they get also the power like minus 27, which is, this is the strongest one. So in this case, the best antenna is this one. So in my humble opinion, rather than we do some measurement with the RF measurement meter, why we don't go to the more pragmatically way? So more easy way and more concrete way that by using the antenna itself, and we can see what is the result, the actual result in this case. So hopefully this is useful for you. Now you can determine or you can define which one is the better antenna for receiving. And as I always say in my other previous video, keep learning and stay humble.